Good morning. So, in continuation of previous video, in this video, I am going to explain how we write excitation and output expression for the Mealy and Moore network. Yeah. So, write Boolean expression for excitation and outputs. So, consider Mealy model. Mealy model. Here, excitations means we need to write expression for D1 and D2. See, analyze D1. It is an output of unless D1 is an output of OR gate. So input to the OR gate is output of AND gates. So input to the first AND gate is X bar. And another input, see, observe this line is derived from this one. Correct? This one. So that means Q2 bar. So one product term is X bar Q2 bar. Another product term is means output of this AND gate. Analyze from where this line is derived. See, middle line, middle line. Right? So it is derived from Q1 bar. So one input is Q1 bar, another input is innermost line that is derived from Q2. So second product term is Q1 bar Q2, Q1 bar Q2. So this is the expression for D1. Similarly, by analyzing the circuit which gives excitation to D2, excitation D2. That means again it is output of OR gate. Input to the OR gate is output of this AND gate. This already we analyzed. This is Q1 bar Q2. And see second one input is X, another input is middle line. So middle line. So middle line means it is from Q1 bar. So expression for D2 is X Q1 bar plus Q1 bar Q2. And output expression. So again output is Z is output of OR gate. Again input to the OR gate is output of two AND gates. So it has two product terms. So first one is two input AND gates. So two variables, that is Q1 and X bar. Second one is three input AND gate. So three variable product term. Inputs are see Q1 and this line. This is Q2 bar and X. So the expression for Z is first product term X bar Q1 and second product term X into Q1 bar Q2. Similarly, we write expression for Moore network. So here excitation means we need to write the expression for J1, K1, J2, K2. Okay. So here directly given J1 is equal to Y. J1 is equal to Y. And K1, it is output of OR gate. So input target is Y and another one is output of AND gate. So that is a product term. That means one product term and one variable. So input to the AND gate is X and another input is derived from this line and this line is originally derived from Q2. So K1 expression is Y plus X into Q2 bar. X into Q2 bar. Okay, na? And see J2 expression. It is output of OR gate. So input to the OR gate is output of AND gate. So again, it consists of two product terms. First one you analyze, one input is X, another input is from Q1 bar. So similarly, analyze second product AND gate inputs X bar, Y, and third one is derived from this line, that is Q1. So expression for J2 is X Q1 bar plus X bar Y Q1. Similarly, K2. Similarly, K2. Yeah, K2 output of OR gate. Input to the OR gate is output of AND gate. So two product terms. One product term is X Y bar. Another one is Y into second input is derived from Q1. So Y Q1. So the expression for K2 is X Y bar plus Y into Q1. Clear na? And output Z1. So it's a product term. Inputs are, see, this is Q1 line and this is Q2 bar. So Q1, Q2 bar. And similarly, Z2 is a sum term because it is a OR gate. So inputs are Q1, Q2 bar, Q1 plus Q2 bar. So these are the expression for excitation and output expression for Moore model. This is the first step of analysis. And then from this expression, next step is to write transition equation. Transition equation. So that means conversion of excitation expression into next state expression. Convert excitation expression into next state expression. For that, we need to consider characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of a flip-flops. So characteristic equation of D flip-flop is Q plus is equal to D, and for JK flip-flop is Q plus is equal to JQ bar K bar Q. Then substitute G is indication next state and substitute excitation into these expressions. Okay. Yeah. For algebraic description of next state, substitute excitation expression into characteristic equation. Okay. And then the equation is referred as transition equation. So remember, transition equations are obtained by substituting excitation expression into characteristic equation. Now let's see. So these are the for Mealy network. These are the excitation expression. These are the excitation expression. So next state expression Q1 plus. This is the characteristic equation. This is the characteristic equation. For first flip-flop, Q1 plus is equal to D1. Q1 plus is equal to D1. Then substitute D1. This is the D1. Okay. Similarly, for second flip-flop, Q2 plus is equal to D2 and substitute D2. This is the D2. Okay. So these two are the transition equation of Mealy network. That means next state expression. Next state expression. Similarly, these are the excitation expression for Mealy network, and this is the characteristic equation of JQ plus. So for Q1 plus, here J1 Q1 bar K1 bar Q1, right? Where here Q1 plus is equal to J1 plus Q1 bar K1 bar into Q1. Now substitute J1 and K1. Here J1 is equal to Y and K1 is equal to Y plus X Q2 bar. Okay, yeah, whole bar. Now apply De Morgan law to this whole bar. De Morgan sum law, that means A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So then the reduced expression is, see here, when you apply De Morgan law, sum get cancelled. See, Y bar into X Q2 bar whole bar into Q1. Okay. Again, here apply De Morgan product law. That means AB whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay. So then it becomes X bar plus Q2 double bar becomes Q2. So the next you take multiply by Y bar and Q1. So if you multiply by X, sorry, Y, so it becomes X Y bar Q1 and X Y bar Q2 Q1. Sorry, here X is not there. Y bar into Q2 into Q1. Okay, so this is the next state equation for first flip-flop, that is Q1 plus. Similarly, Q2 plus is equal to here J2 Q2 bar plus K2 bar K2 bar Q2. Then substitute J2. Here J2 is X Q1 bar plus X bar Y Q1, and K2 is X Y bar plus Y Q1. That we have substituted here in place of J2 and here in place of K2, because of bar it is whole bar. Okay. So then further simplification, you multiply this. Take Q2 bar inside and apply De Morgan sum law to this. So it becomes, so this is it inside. So X Q1 bar Q2 and x bar y q1 q2 bar. So when you apply De Morgan law to this, it becomes first one x y bar whole bar into y q1 bar y q1 bar. Correct? Again apply De Morgan law to this one and this one. So it becomes, see here, x bar plus y double bar becomes y. Here y bar plus q1 bar. Then again multiply these. So when you multiply with these two, first these two, so x bar into y bar, x bar into q1 bar, okay, then y into y bar, y into q1 bar, whole into q2. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0, then multiply with the q2. So it becomes x bar y bar q2 plus x bar q1 q2 plus y q1 bar q2. So this is the next state expression for second flip-flop, that is q2 plus. So this is how we write transition equation. So in the next video I'm going to explain how do we write transition table from transition equation. Thank you.